Hello everyone, so this is our second video of the chapter Agriculture. Today in this video we are going to cover up some of the cash crops, some of the beverages and a topic regarding the agricultural development. Cash crop means basically those crops which are used just for the profit motive, not for the consumption. First cash crop is we are having is the cotton. Cotton is very well that cotton से mind में आता cotton stuff or as in medicated product. So basically this cotton is used, the cotton is used for the fibers, as in fiber it is used. The climatic condition which is required for the production of the cotton is the warm temperature we require. So the temperature should be around 25 degrees Celsius and we must have a good sunshine over there. Cotton is basically grown in tropical and in subtropical areas and it required approximately 60 to 100 centimeters rainfall. If we just want to have a good quality fiber, so it must obtain semi-arid and the arid condition. And we can get this condition by providing the good irrigation. Cotton is basically grown in the black soil or somehow in the loamy soil is also suitable for the production of the cotton. If you look after the areas where it is grown, हमें पता है बहुत सारे टेक्सटाइल मिल्स जो है हमारे पास हमारी गुजरात साइड, महाराष्ट्र साइड, सूरत साइड है, ठीक है. इट इज़ बिकॉज द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन is favorable for the production of our cotton. So we are having the major producing states like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana. So all these are the areas where we can have the good production of the cotton. So, and we are having a different varieties of cotton according to the staple length, or you can say that the length of individual fiber. We are having three categories: the longer the staple, the finer. It is mentioned that the longer the staple, जितनी अच्छी हमारे पास longer staple हमारे पास cotton होगी, उतना ही अच्छा हमारे पास cotton का as an fiber हमारे पास available होगा. We are having the variety of cotton is as a long staple cotton, medium staple cotton and our short staple cotton. Long staple cotton is having the high fiber length. It is approximately 35 millimeters and it is basically grown in the semi-arid area. For example, we are having some places. Egypt is a major producer. Then we are having the other producer like Sudan, Peru and the USA. If we talk about the middle staple, so medium staple, it is considered as the bulk. सबसे ज़्यादा हमारे पास medium staple cotton ही available रहता है. And the fiber length is approximately 22 millimeters to 32 millimeters. The largest producer of medium staple cotton is USA and the Russia. The last one we are having is the short staple. So India is the producer. India is a basic producer which produce short staple cotton, and the fiber length is less than 22 millimeters. Clear? So hopefully this cotton is clear to you. Next we are having the jute. The jute is a second fiber material, or it is also known as the golden fiber. And this jute, अगर हम jute के देखें तो jute के bags हमारे पास available हैं, carpets we are having, mats we are having, jute की बहुत सारी ropes हमारे पास available होती हैं. So jute is used in these particular area for these particular purposes. Jute is also grown in the hot tropical temperature and it required a lot of moisture. The soil which is suitable for the production of jute is our alluvial soil. The temperature which is required is approximately 20 to 40 degrees Celsius, whereas the humidity is 70 to 80% is required for a good cultivation of a jute. Now, the jute growing is require much labor as compared to the other one because it is considered as a बहुत मेहनत का टास्क होता है जूट प्रोडक्शन के लिए. And it is mentioned that nearly 3/4, that means 3/4 of the world population is engaged in the jute production. The production is from the India and Bangladesh. We are having few states in India where we are having the major production of the jute is West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Odisha, and the Meghalaya. So these are the basic states of producing the jute. The next topic we are having is the sugar cane. Sugar cane is also another cash crop. Sugar cane is basically used as a sugar, jaggery, molasses, खंडश्री, अलग अलग जैसे कि गुड़ बनाने के लिए शुगर यूज होता है, मिश्री के लिए होता है. तो इन दिस वे वी आर हैविंग द different uses of the sugar cane. The temperature which is required is 21 to 27 degrees Celsius. The temperature should be hot and the climate should be humid. Annual rainfall should be 75 to 100 centimeter. And it can grow on the variety of crops. In India, sugarcane is basically produced in Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh. Brazil is the highest sugarcane producer in the world, and then we are having the China, Mexico, Philippines, Argentina, USA और बहुत सारे other leading producers हमारे पास यहाँ पे available हैं. Clear? So the cash crops, we read about the 3 types of cash crops is cotton, jute, and then sugar cane. The next come on the beverages. Beverages हमारे मेन्यू कार्ड्स में बहुत बार मेंशन होता है. So we are having the 2 types of beverages is tea and the coffee. Tea and coffee are basically grown in the tropical and in subtropical areas, and it is consumed in all the parts of the world. हर जगह हमें चाय कॉफ़ी की रिक्वायरमेंट होती ही होती है. And as in beverages, tea is the cheapest. सबसे सस्ती बेवरेज हमें यहाँ पे क्या मिलती है, हमारे पास टी अवेलेबल होती है. ऑल्दो कॉफ़ी भी हमारे पास है, बट एज कम्पेयर टू टी कॉफ़ी के प्राइसेस हमारे पास थोड़े से हाई होते हैं. लेट अस सी अबाउट द टी. Here it is mentioned that it is grown on the tropical and the subtropical areas. Area which is required for is approximately 40 to 2400 hectare area is engaged in the tea production only. And we are having the few areas like अभी इंडिया में अगर बात करें तो केरला साइड बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस होता है हमारे पास टी प्रोडक्शन. क्लियर? बट हमारे पास अलग अलग एरियाज हैं यहाँ पर, जैसे कि चाइना, केन्या, वियतनाम, टर्की, बांग्लादेश, all these areas where we are having which are the good producers of the tea. It also, you can say that it also grows in the cool climate, and the rainfall should be there throughout the year, not in a particular period of time. अच्छी खासी हमें इसमें रेनफॉल चाहिए होती है. इस प्लांटेशन के लिए हमें जो क्रॉप चाहिए वो हमारे पास लैंड फर्टाइल होनी चाहिए, उसमें हमें प्रॉपर ह्यूमिडिटी अच्छे से अवेलेबल होनी चाहिए, एज वेल एज हमारे पास इसमें हमारा ऑर्गेनिक मैटर भी अवेलेबल होना चाहिए. अब जब टी पिकिंग वाला काम आता है, जो हम देखते हो कि मूवीज़ में कि वो टी की लीव्स वहाँ से तोड़ते हैं, सो इट इज़ अ वेरी स्किलफुल जॉब एंड पेशेंस चाहिए उसके लिए. सो दैट्स वाई दिस वर्क इज़ यूजली डन बाय द वुमेन. सो द प्रोसेस ऑफ picking up the tea leaves is not in your syllabus. If you want to know, just go through with this thing, but it is not in your syllabus. Okay, we are having these different methods of the tea processing. The next we are having is the coffee. Coffee, we are having 2 varieties of coffee. We are having is Arabica and the Robusta, and both the coffees are grown on the commercial basis. For me, मतलब पर्टिकुलर सेल्फ कंजम्पशन के लिए नहीं है, कंजम्पशन बेसिस पे ये यूज़ होता है एज इन कमर्शियल बेसिस के लिए. दिस अरेबिका एंड रोबस्टा इज हैविंग 75% ऑफ द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ अमंग द होल कॉफ़ी variety of a coffee. The third variety of a coffee we are having is the Liberica, and it occupy a small area, that is only 25% of the area is captured by the Liberica. Now the coffee plant is basically a small tree or the small shrubs you can see over here, and it has a height is approximately 4 to 6 meter high. It is usually grown, and we are having 6 to 7 months. After the 6 to 7 months, a flower used to appear on that. So the small fruit which developed over there, you can see in the image. स्मॉल स्मॉल फ्रूट्स हमारे पास जो उसमें आते हैं वो बेसिकली ग्रीन इन कलर, एंड धीरे धीरे करके वो रेड कलर में हमारे पास चेंज हो जाते हैं, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट इट जस्ट प्रॉपर आते हैं तो कलर शुड बिकम द क्रिम्सन, ठीक है. सो द मेच्योर फ्रूट विच इज़ देयर इट इज़ बेसिकली रिजेंबल एज इन चेरी, ठीक है. देन इट इज़ ग्रोन द क्लस्टर. सो इस तरीके से हमारे पास अलग अलग स्टेजेस से ये हमारा कॉफ़ी बीन्स होके निकलते हैं, एंड ईच चेरी कंटेन्स 2 सीड्स, और उस चेरी के अंदर जो 2 सीड्स होते हैं उसे हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, हमारी कॉफ़ी बीन्स. साइड में पल्प होता है, उसके अंदर हमारे पास 2 सीड्स हैं, और वो जो 2 सीड्स होते हैं वो हमारे पास एज इन कॉफ़ी बीन्स हमारे पास यहाँ पे काम करते हैं. सो आफ्टर प्लकिंग अप द चेरीज वी यूज टू हैव द प्रॉपर प्रोसेस कि हमें उसके जो पल्प है उसे हटाना है, कॉफ़ी सीड्स को लेकर आना है, देन वी हैव टू जस्ट फाइंड आउट द बीन्स को हमने क्या करना है, उसे वॉशिंग टैंक्स में डालना है, उसे ड्राई अप होने देना है, और उसके बाद जब वो ड्राई अप हो गया तो हमें उसके जो है मशीन्स में उसकी जो अपर लेयर है एज एन स्किन है हमने उसकी वो रिमूव करनी है, और उसके बाद जो हमारी कॉफ़ी बीन्स होती हैं वो प्रॉपर तरीके से रोस्ट होंगी. फिर उसमें हमारा कॉफ़ी फ्लेवर आता है और हमारे पास उसमें अरोमा जो कॉफ़ी का आता है वो उसमें हमारे पास आ जाता है. Coffee plant basically require warm and the wet climate. Somehow its production is possible on the loamy soil. In India, Tamil Nadu, Nilgiri, Kerala and the Brazil are the leading producers of the coffee. Next topic we are having is our agriculture development. Agriculture development means as the population is growing day by day, so the demand of food is also increasing. So now to meet the demands, we need to make some of the efforts. We need to make some efforts at how we can able to increase the food production. So this thing can be achieved only by raising the productivity. And to increase the productivity, some of the modern methods are used like good fertilizers, HYV seeds, high yielding variety seeds is produced over there. We are having the better irrigation facilities. We are having some of the good insecticides and the pesticides were used. So agriculture development is basically used. Some agriculture development method is used so that we can able to meet up the demands of the increasing population. In developing countries, crops are used. Basically, crops are grown as on the subsistence basis. But in the developed countries, it is used as a commercial basis. Is it clear? So this is all about the chapter agriculture. You guys can go through with this topic, agriculture change in India. In it is shown that how earlier the agriculture system was there, but now the agriculture system is different. Clear? Go through with the video. If you find any difficulty, then you guys are free. You can take your doubts from me. Till then, take care and bye-bye.